Hey guys, this is a review video of my KA75 blacksmith power hammer. It's a 75-pound ram and a full cast iron body. So let's talk a little bit about the performance, the suitability for various tasks, and my hand-on experience with this machine. It's powerful, it's really easy to use. Just this pedal system right here kind of controls the, you can get a very dramatic movement or very soft, delicate rhythm. It's actually really easy to control once you start to get a little bit of used to the pedal system. The KA75 is really good for medium to large stock. I mean, you can tell by the mouth. I use it mostly for knives and tools, but you can also use it for other work. So again, it comes with that very delicate control system of the double valve pressure system. So if you want to come close, you can actually see I can control how strong I want the hammer to basically roll down. If I want like that, I just have to be very, very careful with driving the pedal and not getting a little bit too lead-footed. So it allows for very, very precise control work. That's the double valve pressure system. And it's actually really great for forge welding or, like I said, other delicate work that you want to do. It weighs about total like 650 pounds, and it costs about roughly $5,000. So it kind of comes ready to go, but you do have to have the foundational concrete in order to install this, these screws inside the plate so it doesn't wobble around or move. It's best for small to medium-sized shops. It can be fit in a corner. It's a standout piece. It's, stands alone. The requirements for the PSI and the CFM whole air pressure regulations that this has, it has instructions on how to set it up to a pressure tank. It doesn't need an external pressure tank, but I have it set up to my main valve that connects to the whole entire facility, and we have a giant air compressor running outside. So I just basically hooked it up to that main compressor, and I tuned it with my regulator. It's at right now 100 psi. In conclusion, this is a really, really well-made power hammer for its price. I bought it in 2016, so I have at least 9 years of experience using this machine. I've only had to service it by applying WD-40 on the pistons right here, the moving pieces right here. But other than that, it's given me the same consistent control, power, and efficiency in my work. I honestly really do recommend this power hammer for starting out smiths who are, I don't see needing a big Anyang 110 kilogram power hammer versus this guy when I'm just doing blades and small knives. It would make more sense if I had like a bigger production, or I needed such strength and such accessibility in the mouth. So, but other than that, this is a really, really great power hammer for starting out smiths or already established smiths who just need that extra striker power. Again, it's a 75-pound ram. So for blacksmiths who want a boost in efficiency without sacrificing any quality, I would recommend to you the kick-ass 75, the KA75 power hammer by Cole Iron Works. And yeah, that's it. I think this, it's not the perfect power hammer for, all forges, but it's a pretty kick-ass power hammer for my forge.